Okay, so welcome to our first full official section. So this section will start with a lecture named "What is actually Affinity Publisher?" Because you probably know already what Affinity Publisher is, but let's just go through it in order for you to understand. Maybe because you want Affinity Publisher for one thing, while it can do another things as well. So let's just wrap it up very shortly what Affinity Publisher is. So Affinity Publisher is professional publishing software. So it helps you to create a publishing things basically. So publishables can be books, can be brochures, can be printables, can be magazines. Anything that can be printable is what Affinity Publisher is creating. It's not just about books, it's not just about brochures, it can be about the posters, it can be about the magazines, it can be about something way bigger than you might think at first and you might do at the beginning. But because Affinity Publisher is a very, very versatile, very big software, you can actually use it for very basic things. I know it might sound very preposterous and blasphemous for a lot of people, but Affinity Publisher is a very good word processor as well. You can create a Word documents within this software. I know that it does not allow you to create something like Word document in the publisher, but if you want to create a very basic PDF documents, just the text documents, which will have an entire section dedicated to this, then you can do this. It's as simple as that. You can do even the basic things in Affinity Publisher. You're not restricted. You don't need to create a very complex magazines in order to use Affinity Publisher. Maybe you want something very basic and you like how interface works. Even I do. I create my ebooks very, very basic brochures, very basic things in Affinity Publisher because it is far simpler to create than any other word processing software, like in Microsoft Word, for example. I feel like it's far simpler to create very good Word document, maybe very good CV, maybe very good, some very basic Word text document. I feel like it's far simpler to create in Affinity Publisher than it is in more robust word processing documents and software. So in short, Affinity Publisher will allow you to create printable documents that can be printed. Whatever size, whatever form you can think of it, Affinity Publisher can create it. Think of it like that. It's a very brief and simple explanation. You probably already knew this. For the course purposes, we of course needed this. So let's just go to the next lecture now.